Share and spread the soil knowledge with soilbooks.com.
The ground beneath our feet often goes unnoticed. We walk on it, build upon it, yet rarely pause to consider its significance. But soil is not merely dirt. It's a living, breathing ecosystem, teeming with a hidden universe of organisms crucial to life as we know it. It is the foundation of our food systems, the lifeblood of countless ecosystems, and a vital ally in the fight against climate change. Yet, this precious resource faces growing threats, demanding our urgent attention and action to conserve it for generations to come. This essay delves into the vital importance of soil conservation. We will explore the threats facing our soils and discuss practical steps we can take individually and collectively to protect this irreplaceable resource. Join me as we uncover the wonders beneath our feet and discover how we can become better stewards of the ground that sustains us all. Soil conservation encompasses the practices and techniques aimed at protecting and preserving one of Earth's most vital resources, our soil. It involves minimizing soil erosion, maintaining soil fertility, and preventing soil degradation. This ensures that soil remains healthy and productive, capable of supporting plant life and sustaining life on Earth. Just like we protect our forests and oceans, safeguarding our soil is paramount. It's about understanding that soil is a finite resource, formed over millennia through natural processes. Once depleted, it can take centuries to regenerate. Soil conservation is not merely an agricultural concern, it is a global imperative that affects us all. The importance of healthy soil cannot be overstated. Firstly, it forms the basis of our global food system. Fertile soil provides the essential nutrients for plants to grow, which in turn provide us with the food we eat. Without healthy soil, agricultural yields would plummet, leading to food shortages and impacting global food security. Beyond food production, soil plays a crucial role in water regulation. It acts like a sponge, absorbing rainfall and releasing it gradually, replenishing groundwater reserves and preventing floods and droughts. Soil also supports a vast array of life, from microscopic organisms to larger animals. This biodiversity is essential for a healthy ecosystem and contributes to the intricate web of life on Earth. Our soils face a multitude of threats, many stemming from human activities. Deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion and logging, strips the land of its protective cover, leaving soil vulnerable to erosion by wind and rain. Unsustainable agricultural practices, such as intensive tilling and overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, deplete soil nutrients, degrade soil structure, and pollute water sources. Rapid urbanization further exacerbates the problem, as concrete jungles replace fertile land, sealing the soil beneath and preventing its natural functions. Climate change, with its increasingly unpredictable weather patterns, intensifies soil erosion, droughts, and floods, further jeopardizing soil health. These threats are interconnected and pose a significant challenge to global food security, water resources, and the delicate balance of our ecosystems.